my friend, and welcome back to a new cleaning motivational video. As you can see by the intro, our house was so messy as it kind of got put on the back burner this week. So we're catching up today, and I'm sharing a new Amazon affordable home find that I think is truly going to change your life. So stay tuned for that, as well as some extreme cleaning and homemaking motivation. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you are new around here, I am a professional cleaner during the day, and my goal with this channel is to help you with how to clean your house and also to inspire you to get up, to tackle your mess and clean along with me. I try to use all non-toxic cleaning products, and I love sharing all things home as a busy mom. So weeknight recipes, homemaking motivation, routines, DIY and decor, as well as creating a simplified home. You're gonna find a mix here. So if that's the type of content that you enjoy, I'd love for you to join our growing YouTube family by hitting that red subscribe button. I do my best to link everything that I use down below, and if you're ever wondering, just leave a comment down below and I can guide you, or you can shop my home using the link in the description as well. As I move through cleaning our primary bedroom here, I am using my non-toxic Sage multi-purpose cleaner on all of the surfaces and the furniture, and we are actually going to move through the whole house today. So go ahead, girl, put me up on whatever device, relax and enjoy some coffee before you get up and clean along with me. Okay, I got my Amazon order and I am so excited about this product, and call me crazy, I don't know, I get excited about the little things, and it is this Joy Room magnetic cable organizer, and I am so excited. I am tired of looking at my cords and having them just be like all jambled and rambled and all over the place, and so your girl found an affordable option and I am really excited to share it. Let's go ahead and get my cords around my bed organized and just looking a little better. Okay, so I didn't need this many, but I got the 6-pack just in case I wanted some for other areas of our house. So simple, but it is this little thing that has a sticky back. So you peel that off, stick it on the back of your cabinet, and your cord goes in here so that it's not falling off of your nightstand, so that it stays in place, and then wait till you see you can actually like move the cord right in and out of here, and it is just like incredible. I was extremely influenced on this by, so had to share it with you guys. My daughter's shared bedroom has gotten completely out of control. We got some more hand-me-down clothes from their cousin, and I haven't had the chance to put them away. Naturally, my daughter loves new clothes, whether they are hand-me-downs or new from the store, so she dove right into that bag and threw the clothes all over her bedroom. It was time for Mama to come in and do that once a month Mama's cleaning touch in here, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done. I need to do another huge purge and declutter, not only here in their bedroom, so like, you know, their clothes, like their closet is actually trashed. I'm not showing you that today, but just trust me, it is not organized at all. But I also need to do their toys and their playroom again. I think I want to wait until they're home from summer break though, as right now with them being in school, number one, they wear a uniform, so like they're not really wearing much from their spring and summer clothes, but when they're out of school, they will be. And then secondly, they don't play with their toys in their playroom, much for the same reason, really. I mean, we're into sports, and so our evenings are really busy with that, and going to our beach, just playing outside, playing at the park, going for bike rides, that sort of thing. And then they get 1 hour of downtime while I cook dinner, where they're allowed to play a video game or watch TV, have their screen time. So truthfully, there's not much time for them to play in their playroom. So I don't want to like go and declutter right now when they might start playing with more of the things that are down there in the summer when they're home on their break. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, but make sure you are subscribed, as I will have that urge to purge video coming up within the next few months, and it's gonna be so good. I'd love to know, as I know majority of you guys who watch me are actually located in the States, are your kids off on summer break yet? Ours will be near the end of June, so I have a little bit longer to go, but it is such a busy time of year with all of the year-end parties, celebrations, and to top it off, we have our birthday week in June. Yes, all three of us girls, all of our birthdays are within the same week. So that's why our house usually gets put on the back burner around this time. I do believe there is a season in everything. And right now we're just in a busy season of life. And I'm so grateful that our house is simplified and decluttered and more easily manageable. So take this as your sign to watch my messy to minimalist playlist if you haven't already and you need some decluttering motivation. And if you're just looking to do some of that like maintenance decluttering, maybe before your kids are home for the summer, check out my Urge to Purge playlist. All right, y'all know the drill. It is time to get up and start cleaning along with me today. Tackle the mess, the dishes, the laundry, do a 5-minute decluttering session, maybe move around the house and just grab what is out of place to put it back in its home. Remember, what you do around your home matters.
When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
It was around lunchtime on this day before I was able to actually unload our dishwasher. Normally I like to do this before I head to work or by 9 a.m. if I'm home. Actually, like regardless of if I'm working or staying home for the day, my morning routine truthfully doesn't change that much, but I do like to have this done before I leave the house. It is one of my non-negotiables, as I hate coming home to a completely trashed kitchen. Like, I feel better when the heart of the home is clean, as I feel like I can do anything. It just makes my brain feel better, and yeah, it's probably just because I do a lot of homemade cooking. Like, we do eat 99% of our meals here at home, and occasionally we'll order pizza for Friday pizza and movie nights, but I just cannot cook in a messy kitchen. And so one of the spaces that I have decluttered that has helped me tremendously is here in our kitchen. There's not a single thing that I've donated that I miss or that I had to repurchase because I donated it and needed it. I actually think that the kitchen can be one of the easiest rooms to declutter if you are in it a lot and cook a lot from home, right? Like, you know your kitchen, you know what tools you use often and which ones you just don't, right? And like, we just don't need 10 spatulas unless you're doing a cooking class, but I think it's safe to say that majority of us are not doing a cooking class. So it can not only be a great place to start, but also a huge benefit, because once your kitchen is simplified, everything runs so much smoother. I'm not saying to go and declutter your entire kitchen in a day by any means, because that's just going to overwhelm you. We do talk about this, and I break up like your house and working in sections in my decluttering guide. So if you do need some extra help with how to declutter, I'll leave that linked down below. And you also just saw me use my Bloom towels. I'm going to leave a link down below for those as well. They are always linked, but I have to give it a shout out as they are actually having their Memorial Day sale. When it comes to vacuuming your house, do you vacuum all of it at once or do you do it room by room? Let me know in the comments. For me, I usually do my whole house at once as this vacuum and air purifier combo is heavy. It is corded, so I don't have to worry about the battery running low though, or worse, out. Now, I have a cleaning client who likes me to use their personal vacuum and it is cordless. So when I'm cleaning her house, I don't really have a choice and I actually have to vacuum room by room. And then in between, I charge it. So if I didn't, it just wouldn't last. So I do think that that has something to do with it as well. So maybe you've already commented, or even if you haven't, let me know again, do you vacuum room by room or all at once? And if you have a corded or a cordless vacuum. I've also been considering getting and testing out the viral Tinco. I know I'm like 100 years late to the trend as usual, but let me know if this is something that you would like me to review. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it as well if you have purchased one.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Now that the main living space and upstairs bedrooms and bathroom is so clean, I moved downstairs. I told you we're cleaning through the whole house today as it really needed to be done. However, I didn't film the basement part as I ran out of time. You're actually seeing this video on Sunday and I had to film it and edit it all in one day. So if you're still needing some motivation, check out the playlist linked here on the screen. Thank you so much for cleaning with me today and being here. I'll see you next week. Bye.